guys, so today I wanted to do a quick review on this lime squeezer that I got. I really love it, guys. I love the color of it. You're squeezing limes, it's green, it makes sense. This is how it looks from the inside. This is how it looks from the back. Now I'm gonna show you how much juice it takes out from the lemon. I have one cut here in half, and I'm just gonna quickly show you so you can kind of see how much juice you can get out of it using this lime squeezer. Super easy. Do you see how much juice it's taking out of the one of the limes? Now it takes out a bunch of juice, guys, and that piece was super small. As you can see, it took out like literally everything. We're gonna go ahead and try it on the bigger piece. Now this is the bigger piece. Let's see if it can actually squeeze it out because I cut it wrong. But here we go, squeezing out a lot of lemon juice. There we go, or lime juice, whatever you want to call it, the green one. Now, this is how much juice it takes out. There we go. See, juiceless. As you can see, guys, a quick and easy way to squeeze a lime. It took out a bunch of juice, and that's that I cut the pieces incorrectly, but I really love it, guys, and I would definitely recommend it.